Hey guys, welcome back. Continuing on with my free time here, so I've had this Zeiss Ikon laying around my bench for months now. Foxy sent this to me and I've been nothing but intimidated by it. It does work wonderfully. Here is the bitting on the key. So you got a couple low, one high, and then a couple more low. So I finally decided I'm never gonna pick it if I don't try. I played around with it a little bit when I first got it, and that was it. I've never gotten it open. So I figured I'm never gonna get it open if I don't keep trying, so I guess it'd help if I get this in frame. Sorry guys. So, let's give it a shot. I think I just got to click off a 5. Can't get under even number 4. That was 1, I believe. No, that was 2. Little slight turn on the core there. Can't get under 3. This lock is very tight to get into. And I think I overset something. Let's release a little tension here. Well, let's just release it all then. How about that? There's a click on 2 and a slight turn again. Trying to get under 3. I'm getting a little counter rotation off of him. If I can get under him. Maybe. Well, I was. I must have overset again trying to get under him. There's another little turn on the core. Counter rotation on 3. If I can get under him just right. And I think I just lost it all trying to get under him. I released too much tension, son of a bitch. Sorry for the language, guys. That was 2. getting good solid clicks. Just not an open. There's a nice click on 2. Now I can't get under 4. 4 seems to be the hold up here. I just can't get under him. There we go. And some counter on 3. If I can get under him just right without losing it again. And open on 3. Damn. What a fight. But I don't have to be intimidated by this thing anymore. Now, to gut it. How the hell do you gut it? I think that's a roll pin. I don't have a hammer, so I'm going to have to try with some channel locks as my hammer. Well, we locked it back up, but that's okay. We have a key. Well, that doesn't seem to be working. Maybe it goes the other way. It doesn't look like it. It looks like it's braiding on this end. No. Doesn't look like it's coming out of there. Huh. Let's try this again. Guys, I don't want to tear up this lock, but I'm not sure how to go about gutting it. That looks like a roll pin, but it does not want to come out of there. If it is in fact a roll pin. Very strange. Well, I don't want to tear this thing up at all, so I may have to do the gutting in a later video. Yeah, let me figure out how to get this thing apart, and I'll add it to the end of this video. Just give me a few minutes here. Alright guys, I am back. figured out how to, it was a roll pin, it just needed a little more, we'll call it persuasion. I had to use a punch and a persuader, if you will. Alright, now I can get this thing and see what is inside, because that's what we're all curious about, right? Too small. That one may work. That won't work. And I think I screwed something up. Well, maybe not. Yep. Alright. That came out of 5. Let me get the spring out of there. Had the follower turned the wrong way. Screwed up that spring, but I can fix that. There we go. Alright, all 5 pins are in and working. Let's get this stuff out of the way. And 1 standard, 2 is standard, 3 is standard. Let's get this up here where it belongs. 4 is standard, and 5 is standard. Nothing changed on the core. It's got some long key pins in it here. Alright, well, let's see what's up top. One standard. Grab that spring out of there. 2 is a spool. 3 is a spool. 4 is also a spool, and of course 5 is standard. Awesome. Sorry about the delay in the gutting. I didn't expect that to need as much persuasion as it did, but as you can see, all of the key pins are standard. Number 5 actually has a serration cut in it, if you can see that. And then the drivers, 1 standard anti-drill, 2, 3, and 4 are spools, and then 5 actually has a serration cut into it as well, if you can see that. So, Foxy, thanks again for the lock. I know I thanked you months ago when I got it, but I finally got around to picking it. And that is what's in this Zeiss Ikon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Keep it legal, keep it fun, and I'll see you on the next one.